Hi, all of you. Mayur here. Hope you all are doing good. Your exams are coming up very soon. First of all the very best for your exams. Few things I would like to share with you in this video. But before that, I want to inform you about Yashas in association with Yashas in association with Unacademy is presenting a batch for May 2022 attempt for CA Foundation aspirants. This batch is starting on 10th of November 2021 and this batch had started. It's a comprehensive English batch. All the lectures will be done in English. And one of the best features of a subscription at Unacademy is when you take a subscription at Unacademy, not only you get an access to the lectures from any device, anytime, unlimited number of times, but also if you don't understand a particular chapter with one particular faculty or educator, there are multiple educators available on that platform. So you can watch any other educator's lectures and understand the topic accordingly. Also, mock test series will be conducted. The entire mock tests will be divided in 3 phases. Phase 1 of the mock tests will comprise of 40% of the syllabus. Phase 2 will comprise of 80% of the syllabus, and phase 3 will comprise of 100% of the syllabus. When we write mock tests, we are made to realize where we are making mistakes and which are the areas where we can improve. And after the mock tests, there will be a sessions conducted by analysts who will help you out, who will point you your mistakes and the areas where you have to improve. Further, if you take the subscription of Unacademy, you can also be taking the benefit of a session with the industry experts. Those people who are already working in the industry at in various segments, you can talk to them and you can find out which are the areas where the use of chartered accountant is there, which are the upcoming areas where what are their opinions on that, and others. So take up your subscription and enroll yourself, and when you are enrolling yourself, use the code Yashas to get additional discount. Okay, now starting with the certain important points which I wanted to share with you all for the upcoming exams is, first is, in the last 15 to 20 days before your exams, you should study at least 10 hours a day. Break it into 2 parts and minimum read at least 2 subjects per day. Don't keep on reading for entire 10 hours one single subject. Read 2 subjects per day. Also, guys, now we don't have the time to write and solve each and every question of accounts and maths. What you have to do is that you see the question, you see the answers, read the question, read the answer, and then accordingly start solving it on your calculator. Also, when you are writing your exams, don't use any symbol or religious symbol like Om, Jesus, or any other symbol, because they don't entertain these kind of things in exam. Answer to every question, start from a new page. And also the subparts of all the questions, write it together. Write the answer neatly so that it is understandable by the examiner. But when I say write the neatly, the answers, it doesn't mean that you will invest a lot of time in writing every word properly, because you will be wasting a lot of time and you will not be able to complete your paper properly. 100 mark of the paper you will not be able to attend. So neatly means it should be understandable. Try not to make too many scratches. And also start the answer from a new page, and the subparts should be written together, and attend 100 mark of the paper. keep a watch on the time, that a particular question, say for example a question of 16 marks, should get over in 28 minutes. For every 1 mark we'll get 1.8 minutes to solve it, to write it. So accordingly solve. All the very best. I wish you most and more, and I will be waiting for your call after the results. Thank you. See you in CE Intermediate.